尾端也要跟它挤一下。不要掉下来，不要掉下来。耶，下次耶。
Oh, you want the water out.
The pattern, it's really pretty. It's like,
Yeah, it is.
can we like do this as well?
Let's see.
Oh, wow.
Oh, cool.
Hi.
Hi, welcome to the Taiwan Hakka Museum. And have you ever heard or seen anything about the Hakka's culture or its society?
No, but I have a friend who's Hakka and she's really pretty, just like you.
For me, I've never heard about Hakka, so it's my first time hearing about the culture.
Yeah, this is a good time for us to know about the tradition of the Hakka's building and also the food. And now we will meet you here.
Okay.
Let's go.
And here is our interactive equipment that people can learn the Hakka words for daily expression. And I think it's one of the best way to learn more about Hakka. And you can try this with daily expressions.
Oh, I would love to try. I'll do this. Let's do it. Tahu.
Gayu.
Kahu.
Gayu.
I'll try this one. 大家好.
Taigaho.
Kaida ho.
Pretty long.
Okay, I won't tell you. I'll just choose it. This one. This girl is beautiful. Yeah, really? Okay, let's try. Shimuye anjong. Shimuye anjong. Right? Shimuye anjong.
Thank you.
Good job.
Shimuye anjong. Shimuye anjong. Shimuye anjong. Sawe anjan. Sawe anjan. Something like this. Xiamuye anjan. So it's like, yeah, it means like 小姐很漂亮. But I already forgot it. Okay, anyways.
I don't remember the word. It was like 大家好, which is, I don't remember what it is in Hakka. 太嘎货. 太嘎货? Something like that. But hey, I know how to say it in Chinese, so that's good. But I think languages is just such a good thing to know, and also just to share the culture, the Hakkanese culture to the world is good.
This building is very pretty and unique. What is this?
I know. I think it's a temple. It looks like a temple to me.
Actually, this building is not a temple, it's a traditional building for Hakka's village.
Oh, so it's just like, just a house, just Hakka's house?
Yes, it's a kind of house.
It's really pretty. It almost looks like a temple, almost.
Yeah,
Wow.
looks like a temple, really, indeed, yeah. So how do you know it is a house and not a temple? How can we recognize?
And there's one tip we can recognize the differences, the house and the temple. Especially we can see there are 3 Hakka characters on the wall. It is the ancestors' name. They describe their surname with, or we can know the origin of this Hakka family.
Oh,
Do you remember there is a huge art pieces in the entrance of this exhibition?
Yes.
Which is made from the bamboo.
That one, I remember. You can stuff it with rice.
Bamboo rice.
That or that. I don't know which one, but
I like these rice dumplings. Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, so this is actually they're wrapped in bamboo leaves. Oh, I didn't know this.
Everything's made out of bamboo.
Yes, everything is made from bamboo. Like instruments or the steamer
Wow.
or even artifacts.
And this, I know Panda eats this.
Yeah.
I can eat that. I can be a panda right there.
As well.
Oh my god, yeah. I'm getting hungry already.
Let's go. We want to see the Hakka food.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yes.
Let's eat Hakka food.
Yes, let's eat.
Oh my
Wow.
It looks so real.
Guys.
Yeah,
this is
I want to
cool.
eat this already.
It's making me hungry.
I like this red one that looks really special. I'm not sure what it is, but I would definitely go for it, you know?
Yeah, about ready to go eat now because this just looks so good. The soup looks like it's got some vegetable in there, like a special vegetable.
Yeah, it is the kind of Hakka traditional food, and we call it the pickled Chinese mustard. And now we will have a DIY course for you guys to experience how to make the pickled Chinese mustard.
Okay. And
Let's
then
go
we'll eat,
earn our
right?
food.
And then we'll eat. Okay.
Let's
Fist
go
bump.
earn it. Yeah.
Let's go get this food. Let's go.
Oh.
那我们第一步呢，我们先把这个塑胶袋，把它封口把它剪开来，
Okay.
然后再把水挤掉，尾端也要跟它挤一下。不要掉下来，不要掉下来，产品不要掉下来。耶，下次耶，
Oh, you want the water out.
把水挤出来。
A lot of water.
Whoa.
现在呢，把这个瓶子打开来，我们用手把它抽出来，直接放下去，再压一压。
Okay, I guess mine is done.
Good job.
好，那我们刚才第一个步骤已经做完了，现在我们再做下一个步骤。那把福气，这是福气，我们可以把它粘在这上面。
Okay, so it means luck, you know? Fu is like luck. Okay, for good luck. I like it.
然后呢，我们粘上去之后，我们就可以把这个是平安，平安。那我们把这平安，我们可以挂在瓶子上面。
Do you know what it means?
No. I have no idea.
I know.
You really know? What is this?
It means peace.
Oh, yeah. She's right. This piece.
The pattern, it's really pretty. It's like,
Yeah, it is.
can we like do this as well?
那你们对这个剪有兴趣，我可以拿另外简单的，另外一个给你们不一样的花样。
Okay, it's time to reveal. You guys ready?
Mine is ready.
Very ready.
Who wants to go first?
We can go at
Yeah,
the
we can go
same time.
together since it's like the same pattern. Yeah. Let's see.
Oh, wow.
Oh, cool. Yeah.
Oh, it is the same.
Yeah.
The same pattern.
This is a snowflake.
Chinese snowflake.
Chinese snowflake. Yeah.
Okay.
Cool. Let's check what you've got.
I believe mine is like some kind of butterfly because I
Butterfly.
cut wings or something.
Oh.
Wow, yeah, it is like I have to say it's butterfly.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah, I could see the wings here.
Help me, help me.
Cool. Yeah, this is like a butterfly. Yeah. But yeah, cool. Okay.
For us.
Cool. When I was a kid, in the kindergarten before New Year, we used to cut these snowflakes because later we cut those snowflakes and give it to our mothers, and then we celebrate New Year because of snow, you know, like a Christmas tree, and then you kind of celebrate it. So today when we were making these snowflakes, it kind of, you know, reminded me Russia when I was a kid, how we also made it. It was really nice.
Snowflake, you would, as our friend said, that was really pretty, and I've done it before, and I would do it again. Although it's very intricate and it takes a long time to do it, it was fun. It was really fun. The pickled cabbage is good. It's very smelly and salty, but it's good. It's good. Yeah, I think I would give that as a gift to my friends. Yeah, they would have fun.
I've heard about Hakka, but I've never learned of the culture and its food. So going to the museum, getting to know the other side of Taiwan, I think it's really, really good to know because they're also Taiwanese, like the first people of Taiwan. I really like the activity that we did, doing like the cabbage and putting it in the jar. It's really a hands-on experience where we were able to immerse ourselves more to the culture. which made me feel closer to Taiwan.